we're running here, and there's the yield. The average yield is 51, current yield is 58, and you can tell these beans are doing really good for the double crop beans. So yeah, any bean really, but especially double crop. The sky's looking awful black. And rain just rain is just right across the river, and we're about 5 miles from the river, so you just check the location. We're about 5 miles from the river, so you know it's pretty evident we're gonna get some rain, which is kind of unfortunate. But anyway, the wheat drilling crew is running, the spraying crew is running, and we're 1 man short today. So I'm out here by myself combining beans. Was not a big deal, really, especially when this is kind of a small field. So yeah, that's what the plan is. Keep on chugging on until it rains. They come back there, you can't see them coming in back there. So yeah, finish up this little strip here, and then the long road, and then we got some strip potato over there, and then this should be done. And and hopefully we can get done before it rains. I doubt it, because about 30 acres left. I doubt it, but when I said small field, I meant it's a big field, it's about a 100-acre field, but it's cut up into like a million different pieces. So this is like a few long ones right here, and I'm finishing them up, and then the rest of it short. So yeah. Anyway, there we are. I'll see y'all later.